Hello, teacher. I hope you are doing well. Well, I think that studying English is something really good because in that way I have learned a lot of things and also I can get a good job. I think that we are studying that because that is one of the main reasons why we are studying that, and we can get many jobs. Something all those all then are like translator, as a teacher, or work in a call center. In any way you can work, and it is something good because you had many ways for develop your English. It is not like others that you have to work only in one thing. No, in this case you can work in many things. And personally, I think that English has helped me a lot because now I am more communicative, a communicative person, and it is something good because in the past I used to be a little shy, but when English it helped me a lot because I had to talk to many people in order to practice. So it helped me in that way, and also it is something that I wanted to do from I was like 16 or 17. Just that. Thank you, teacher.